Hi everyone, in this video we are going to assess surface crusting. Surface crusting develops when soil is left bare or when a soil is overworked through tilling. Sodic or saline soil can be best susceptible to crusting. Soil crusting test assesses the extent to which surface crust occur on your land. This informs you on the potential for seedling emergence and water infiltration. You may want to conduct this test shortly after a rain. But if this is not possible, no need to worry. No equipment is needed for this test. But keen observations is required by walking around the area of interest. You are looking for places where soil is really hard, where soil remains intact when it is picked up, where seedling emergence is restricted. When crusting is widespread, mark down a rating of poor. If not widespread, but there is evidence of more than 5% of the area, mark down a rating of fair.